What's up guys? Welcome back to this video. This is Jack from All Tools Info. In today's video I will show you the 3 best free AI text-to-speech tools, and most of them are completely free to use and also generate human-like voices. If you're a content creator, podcaster, or YouTuber, or just need a free text-to-speech AI tool, then this video is for you. You can use this generated voice anywhere where you want to use it without any copyright issues. So, let's dive in. Tool number 1 is TTS MP3.
Hi, I'm Nova from TTS MP3. You can transform your text into high-quality AI-generated speech effortlessly and at no cost. It is ideal for enhancing e-learning experiences, enriching presentations, powering YouTube videos, and making your website more accessible. Our advanced AI voices deliver natural-sounding speech in various languages with authentic accents. Furthermore, your spoken text can be effortlessly saved as an MP3 file. Select from various voices to ensure the tone and style perfectly match your needs.
Tool number 2 is TTS Free.
Hey, this is Eric from TTS Free. TTSFree.com is a free online text-to-speech website based on AI technology. We have over 200 standard AI and natural human-like voices in over 50 languages worldwide. You can use our voice for your work and create videos that you can place on Facebook, YouTube, Vimeo, Instagram, or personal websites. Free TTS uses artificial intelligence and machine learning, leading technologies from Google and Microsoft, allowing us to push the limit and create a text-to-speech that is very human-like customizable sounds, voice speed, pitch, volume, pause, add emphasis, audio format, and audio profile settings. So, if you are satisfied with our voice, then you can use it free of cost.
Tool number 3 is TTS Maker.
Hello, this is Elena from TTS Maker. TTS Maker is a free text-to-speech tool that lets you transform your written words into expressive audio narration. With a diverse selection of languages and voices, you can craft the perfect audio companion for any project, be it an educational video, a captivating podcast, or even a full audiobook. And the best part of TTS Maker is completely free to use, even for commercial purposes. Save your cash and make your magic voiceover with this user-friendly platform. So grab your script, choose your voice, and let TTS Maker bring your words to life.
Guys, these were our 3 best free text-to-speech AI tools. If you are using any of them already, so let us know in the comments section. Or if you are using any other free text-to-speech AI tools, write the tool name in the comments section. Hopefully, your comment will be helpful for other audiences. If you found this video helpful, like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.